Hello again, welcome to Neha's Stream Corner. Today we're gonna make another recipe out of plain Greek yogurt, and this is all about mango frozen yogurt. As you can see, it is more flavorful, it is more yummy to have. So let's get started. For mango Greek yogurt or mango flavored frozen yogurt, you would mainly need frozen mangoes, plain Greek yogurt, which is homemade. We have made this earlier in our channel. If you haven't watched it, please click on the link above to watch the same. And powdered sugar or honey as per your taste. To begin with, we will combine all the ingredients in a mixie jar. The frozen mangoes, some powdered sugar as per your taste, and the plain Greek yogurt. As it is all in the jar now, we are now gonna blend it. Here is the outcome after blending all the ingredients. You need to blend it twice or thrice, 1 second each, and that should be enough. As it is now ready to be served, let us put some more frozen mango as our bottom layer. Now we'll start pouring in our frozen yogurt. As you can see, it is thick and creamy. The flavor is all seen. Looks delicious. And it's time to garnish it. As you can see, we can serve it in a bowl or we can also store it in a jar. Okay, to garnish it, we'll put some mangoes, frozen mango again on top of it. Or you can also use some dry fruits. I have taken some almonds and walnut, crushed them. And I've topped this one as well with some mango. Okay, as you can see, I'll cover the lid. This is ready to be stored in our fridge, and this is ready to be served. Hope you loved watching this easy and delicious recipe. If you did, kindly hit the like button and share with your friends. Do not forget to share your views in the comment section below, and if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to it. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos where we're gonna see more such delicious recipes that we can make out of plain yogurt. Alright then, eat healthy and stay fit. Thank you for watching. See you again.